beautiful people, how is it going? So it is, what is today? We don't know. Monday, it's Monday, March 30th. So the month is almost over. We are quarantined the F out. I have been cranking out a lot of content for you guys, which has been great, and I've been doing some updates of my own. So what I wanted to do today, oh, it's really dark there. What I wanted to do today is transform my studio area, and in my room currently it's just not working. So I'm just ready to switch to like a white background for my pictures and my videos. And I just feel like if you've been watching my videos, you've been hearing me say like, I don't know if you can see this because it's black, and I'm just over the black, but I'm not over the black for myself, just for my filming. So I'm going to move. We're gonna move, and you guys are gonna watch it with me. So let's go. All right, so don't be coming for me because my room is a mess. All right, but this is what we're working with currently. I sit here on my bed. I put my laptop here, and then I have these boards here that I put into like a little square. My two lights and my ring light and my camera. And then over here, next to my alcohol, LOL, I have this board that I put on top to kind of like box me in. But we're gonna move all of that to here. I'm gonna hang up some new lights. Oh, let me show you that. My current backdrop is here. Oh my god, it's not plugged in. Hold on. Okay, that's better. So this is my current backdrop. So you really can only see like this portion of it here, and then the rest is just like my bed, which I actually didn't like. And then I always will put that little candle, like those two little candles there or whatever. But I'm just like, if you can see this, like literally I've just been leaving this up. So daunting, and just like in my room, it's very like in my space where I sleep, it's very distressing, you know? So I ordered some lights, which they actually ended up being lights that I did not want, but at this point I'm still gonna use them because they are whatever. They're battery powered, and I thought they were plugged in like just like regular power, but they're not. So they're battery powered, but they do have little remotes that come with them. I got them on Amazon, and I got 2 packs, and they have 2 of these per pack, so I have 4, and they have like nice little settings and things like that, so I think it's going to be cute once it's done. I have this desk over here that I really never use. It was actually supposed to get refinished in one of my DIY projects, and I just never got around to it. And then I have this white curtain here that I'm going to hang up on top of the lights once I hang those up. Yeah, so the first order of business is I'm going to move this desk up a little bit, and I actually am really going to miss just having this open space here. Like, my room is actually a very large room, so that's why I know I can put the studio stuff here and it still won't be super duper cluttered. But I am just gonna miss having this like free space, like when you walk in the door, it's just space, you know? This is also a lot of space that I could be having, and it's just this. I want it out of my like face. So this is, I just wanted to show you that the reason why I'm only going like halfway here, because obviously I'm going to be sitting. I'm putting a sheet up, which I'm still gonna do, and I just wanted to show you guys like how I did this, because these are LED lights that like can change and they're battery powered. I wanted to make sure, this is makeup by the way, I wanted to make sure all of these can be on the floor and they're not weighing down this here, because I'm only using just like regular, I'm just using regular tape, guys. So I didn't want to have this like end off in a weird spot and then it's, you know, now dangling somewhere on the wall. So that's why I kind of did it the way I did. They look good. Like over time, sometimes I have to just like lift up the curtain and redo the tape. I honestly usually use thicker tape than this, but this is all that I had in my house and I'm just not that pressed for it. So the next step to do, now that these are up, they look so good. And there's like 8 different modes, so even better. I'm going to put the curtain up now, so that's the next step. I have this here. It's literally from the dollar store. It's been in my closet forever, so hopefully it still works. Yeah. When I use this, hang this up, I have to just put the pieces up with a hammer, and then that way I can change the colors out really easily from there. I'm finally done. It took some time and it's not even perfect yet, but it's good enough. So let me turn it around so you guys can see. Here's the backdrop. They were twinkling, but my daughter stopped it. Hold on. So I had it on this like little mode where it's just like softly dimming and lighting up. Mind you, my background is blurred, so I just wanted a soft, like, little glow when I'm doing these close up close to me 50mm lens makeup videos. Okay, so I had to put my hat on because my lace is looking crazy. But yeah, that's where this is. I am in my little cocoon. In my little cocoon, guys. I'll do a full afterwards. And I have this little guy here. I use this, I put on my lap, and that helps with my lighting here to show you guys all of this stuff. I am using the, it's called EOS, EOS Utility 3. That's what I use for my Canon camera. So I have my camera, but you see, because I'm using a 50mm, like, this is where I'm able to see myself, and usually I get a little bit closer than this, but like, that's how far my camera is for me. And because my camera is so far away, I can't use that microphone. So what I have here is on my busted iPad, shout outs to Lily. Well, I did the first half, she did the rest. But I have this, it's called, wait, someone's, oh my, it's called Motiv. Come on. Okay, wow, I did all of that for it, not sure. I'm using the Shure MV88. It's just a, wow, let me get this foil. It's just a little USB mic, and it goes into here. So look, I'm in my little box. So what I typically do is I can hit record on the computer, record on my mic, and I usually just like do like 2 little claps or something so that it shows like big waves in my sound, and then whenever I'm able, when I need to sync them, I line it up from the Final Cut and then my mic that I downloaded, and then I'm able to just line those babies up, and then I can mute the sound from my camera quality, and then I'm able to just, you know, go from there. It's high quality, it sounds great. This, I don't know how much it costs. I've had it for like a year now, so I'll go ahead and put that down below. So if I had a memory card in here, I would be able to hit this button right here, and it would start to record, and then I would just record on this guy here, and it's using my external mic there. Perfect. And from there, it's able to pick up my sound, and then what I do from there is I'll just hit this little guy here, save it, and then let's see, I would just go here, I would share this file. I would usually rename it to something. I would save it to my camera roll, and then whatever seconds it's taking to do, which it won't take long for there, I just go into my photos. Hopefully there's no nudes. And then I hit this guy here, and then from there I literally just airdrop this I would just airdrop it to myself with this, which for some reason it's just not showing up, but I airdrop it to my MacBook, and then that's how I'm able to get that footage. So these are the two things that I keep, three things. I always keep my iPad, my laptop, and then this here I just started using. I usually have my notes there for when I need them. That's just the case. Extra clip, my external hard drive in case I wanted to start uploading footage. When my memory card is full and I switch to another one, I usually tend to just start to upload my footage onto Final Cut Pro because it takes some time. But now another thing I have is a little remote for these lights. So that is a plus because I thought I was gonna have to keep going down there to like do each set. Yeah, that's really it. Let me give you guys like a little view. It's not hard for me to get out at all. I have this little like spot just right here that I walk through. It's now dark, so yeah, but this is the setup. I did not put my lights the exact place that they're supposed to be yet. So yeah, I have this little box. There's the lights, there's my two lights, there's my ring light. I have here my plugs, all of the plugs here, so all of my lights. And then another thing that I wanted to show you guys is that I recently just got for my camera, and I'm just gonna take it out so you guys can see. My camera is constantly dying, so I purchased, okay, so this is what I have. It is like a dummy. It looks like my charger, but it's really empty, and it has a wired cord here, and this goes through and plugs in with those two blocks. It is two USBs there if you look, and I just popped this into my camera now, and I'm literally able to record forever. And it really just works for me. It's perfect. So I'm really happy with the way this came out. Obviously I'm gonna perfect it as I go along. I just wanted to show you guys like kind of the process and how it goes. It did not take me long to do. I just had to take a break before I can do this part, but yeah, I just didn't want it to be like just straight like black backdrop shorty. Like backdrops are cool for a lot of people, but I like to have something behind. I do feel like this is like so fresh and so clean, okay? I do feel like I'll eventually get like a plant or a candle, probably a plant, because I feel like everyone gets like something, a pop of green into here, and put it just somewhere so that it's around. But like honestly, for my story times, I think I'm gonna stick to the black. I like the ambience, I like the vibe. For story times, it's intimate. I like that. So I think I'm just gonna do all of my makeup tutorials here so that the black is just not interfering with the look. Yeah, I'm really excited for this. I'm gonna leave all of this up. The only things that I might take away would be like the lights. I hope that I was able to, you know, kind of help you guys in that process. This is in my room. Me personally, we have a third floor and we have a downstairs. My dining room is huge and we literally do not eat at the table. So I was thinking about doing it down there, but personally for me, I'm just that type of person that I like to film in my room. It's just quieter and I get like anxious whenever I hear people like walking around while I'm filming. So this just works for me. It's perfect. I can just like get out of my bed now and get in. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching.